Hey guys, welcome back to Super Mario 3D World. In the last episode, we did have a world mushroom. We're gonna finish it off, starting with Trouble in Shadow. Way Let's go.
Isn't that shadow level from before, and then now it's just even worse?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You're gonna see why.
100 seconds.
Yeah, but that's
Speed run.
yeah, but that's not the only reason why. Because look, guys, get in. Toad,
Wait, there's something here.
No, it's not weird.
you're gonna see. Look.
Oh my gosh, guys, we can actually pile on each other easy now.
Yeah, yeah, but
Get over here, get over here.
look, there's an infinite stack of Goombas.
This is basically Mario Maker. Mario Maker 2.
Go back.
Where
There's
am
a star. Go back for the star.
There's a boomerang flower up there. Let's go.
Hey,
No,
get
it's
over
here.
here! Get over here!
Star.
Here.
There's a star right here. Who made
Yeah,
this
and now
in Mario Maker
and now
2?
I missed.
Dash. You failed. Jump.
Ow.
Alright. I'm going.
We are gonna run out of time.
That's fine. I just want the star.
Okay, just long jump up there. Long jump.
Ow! I can't even get there. How can you? How is this
Boomerang.
possible?
It's supposed to be a boomerang.
Yeah, but I wasted it.
Okay,
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, but now we had no time whatsoever.
No, it's that. It's fine. Run. Toad mode. Damage boost.
Yeah, we're gonna die.
Not if I have anything to say about it.
Not if I die first. Guys,
Yeah, but look, time's up.
Yay!
How
Now
do
we
we
actually
finish
have
it?
a
How do we get out of the
strategy. Actually,
How do we get out of the
Doesn't
world?
lose.
Get in here, Toad.
guys, do you agree?
Toad, you're so slow.
I'm
Why?
not slow.
Then I'll come here while we.
This is the cracked version of the Mario Maker.
Toad, why?
Well, I lost the
Get it.
thing. but-
Okay, wait,
Yeah, someone else do it. Apparently,
I'm more responsible.
I could do it. Guys, just get over here. I got it.
okay, so
I
is
got
that
dead
stack
again.
infinite?
Who knows? Just throw bombs. Bro!
I think it is infinite. Wait, do we have to defeat that thing?
Yeah, we have to defeat it.
I don't wanna.
Nah, I'm much rather.
You're
just run up
wasting-
here. Look, we got the star.
Yeah, but now how are we gonna destroy? Because all
Me
our bombs are
destroy.
gone! Yeah, let's start over.
How
Because
do we finish this?
you have to bomb them. You have to nuke them.
Maybe you should just get the star and immediately destroy everything. Trouble in Shadow Reality.
Yeah, of course, it is trouble.
Pain in Shadow.
How is our shadow play? How do we hurt ourselves?
Okay, no, let's go. Defeat
Everyone
the stack
in.
right now. Defeat the stack right now. Defeat the stack, Toad, defeat the stack.
Yeah, we're too slow though.
Oh, no.
Throw it to them. Hey guys, get over here.
That's right.
You can actually use that cost.
Guys, just get the
spam it.
guys get the stars while I take care of the Goomba stack. There's no stamp in there. Okay, is that a thing?
Yes, nailed it. Yes.
Okay, we got in.
Perfect, guys.
The star.
I don't like that one.
In here. Okay, that was the wrong one. Everyone bubble. Everyone bubble up. Bubble up.
It doesn't
MLG.
matter.
Peach, don't go on there yet.
I'm gonna do it.
Don't
I'm gonna
remember what happened?
Go in the store. Okay, fine, guys, come here. Go
Yeah, but
to the store,
Yeah,
Okay,
but,
just run it,
yeah, but
run it.
hurry, we
He's left.
and then go Toad. Go Toad.
Come on.
come on!
Yes,
First.
We barely made it.
Beautiful.
Never again.
There you go.
Yay.
Never again.
This is a short
97 seconds. Speedrun.
Wow, we completed it in like less than 5 minutes.
Well, that's good. I mean, it is a 100-second level, so what else are we supposed to do? Interesting.
Hey guys, it looks like Hands on Hall is back.
I mean, no.
Yes! Yes! Yes, the greatest level of all time is back. I'm kidding. It's the Great Gold Pole. It's the greatest.
Hey guys, we actually don't have to deal with the timer.
You made me get hit.
Oh yes.
Stand in here.
That corner is clearly trapped. Look up.
Yes, well, technically it is a trap.
I think that last one.
Oh, baseballs!
Yes, I want to play catch.
Whose great idea was it?
Nintendo's, obviously.
Yes, I got a ball. Oh, do that.
God.
No, where's my ball?
You're behind.
Oh wow, it's the key. Here, let me get them open.
Ah!
You're welcome. Oh, and by the way, hold on to the baseballs because we do need them for a star.
I always
Of course we need the baseball.
Beyblade, let it rip. Let's fight Bring it, get the funny.
God.
You ready for this madness? Let's go.
Hey, you could throw them.
My ball. Vanished.
I have
Get the key.
Get out of here!
Get the key
princess.
coin.
I'm going to get the key coin. I have a ball.
Yeah,
Ah!
yeah, throw it into the pot.
I don't want to throw my ball in the pipe.
You have to.
Wahoo! Damage boosting is the way of life. This is my ball. My ball! A ball!
Oh!
No, Crazy Dave, no! That's not food!
Okay, throw
Hey
it.
guys, look, it's a big carnival game!
The spike. Yes, spike. Spike.
That's. Oh, what the? Get
You
over
already
here.
got it.
Get over
No.
here. Get over here.
Get out of here.
Get over here.
Fly my baseball.
Alright. That's how you got there.
Oh wow.
Vic.
The boomerang bro just. Okay.
Vic. Vic.
I'm keeping my ball and I don't want you guys to try and kill it.
So, are we ready to go in now?
Yeah.
We only have one star.
Yeah, but we're gonna get the res here. You see? Look.
Hey, it's daytime now.
I'm not gonna call it.
Hey guys. I got them.
I'm a failure.
Okay, I made it back. Yeah,
Good for you.
Suffer failure. Can we please just get some katsu? I want to see some
Oh, and by the way,
How do we get in there? How do we get in there?
Hey guys, look, there's a gone.
Trying to teleport.
Oh, gone.
Yeah, let me run into
Gone.
it. Okay, that was complete. There's another. Oh wow, nice.
Is that how we get in?
Yeah, get in there. Get in there.
I win!
Get here! No, this one.
I got it!
Toad always gets the loose end of the stick.
Really, I always. Luigi gets
Here,
the
can I?
stick. No
Can
one-
I try to
he's
find?
not being handsome
Can I
today.
find a propeller box here? Okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Oh
What the
wow.
heck? Why is it flying?
It's backstroking. Right?
Okay, Peach,
What's
get
with
it.
this statue? I like that.
What are you doing?
I was checking out the statue!
Would you?
I don't think there's anything there since we got all three of the stars and there's no stamps whatsoever.
There was, but it's a nice statue.
I love the cheap
It's a
statues
golden
as
cheap
well.
cheap.
They're my-
Yay.
Yay.
Yes. It's time for Big Boo's Hunt.
Time for us, sorry for
That's for Super Mario 64.
And we're playing Super Mario.
This is not Super Mario
It's a
64.
gigantic seaside wreck.
Oh,
Gigantic
no.
seaside.
I like
wreck.
playing on the gigantic seaside sea wreck.
Why is it a... If it's called a wreck, why is it on a house? Oh no.
Because it's a ship.
Yeah, that makes sense. That's one of those guys. What do we
Guys,
name him?
that's all you got. That's all you gotta say.
Mushroom.
Guys. No! Don't show me off. Or blow me off.
Hey, what is this do?
I was checking to see what was in that box.
Oh.
Wait, there's clearly something over here.
That's sort of dead.
I'll take that.
You did die. You didn't. You still live. Throw Toad off the ledge.
I have an
Throw
idea.
him.
Now it worked. It worked.
Oh, hi! Why? What the heck? Where are you?
Where's
We have to
Cappy?
make this video longer.
We
Where's
don't need to
Cappy?
make this video longer.
I want Cappy.
What did you have this morning? Did you have Sour Patch Kids for breakfast? No, I got blue off the. Okay, no what? Don't go in there yet because we need.
Yes!
It's coin.
Cool said to go for the one.
We.
Hey guys, what's over here?
Hey, Mario.
Ooh, I
Hey.
like something.
I want to be giant.
I am a disappointment.
I'm going to.
Hey guys,
Why?
look, there's a big mushroom right there. Whoa, guys, look how big that mushroom is.
Hey, wait! Don't go in there yet because. Hey guys, look! There's a path right here. Let's see
I'd
where.
rather jump off the cliff.
Ow!
That's epic. Oh,
That's
no.
relatable.
Oh wait! Oh yay!
Wow, that's relatable.
That's what you get
Well,
for
that's how
murdering
you
my
kill
friends.
them. You ground
Go
pound.
ahead. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Yes.
I
Okay,
am
but
a
hold that
big
on
boss.
because we need that for a star.
Sad.
For a star, okay?
Go, Evan, go. Go.
You're
You
back.
guys killed me!
You're
You
back.
respawned on me, you pushed me off!
I didn't do nothing.
Let's not focus on homicide or anything.
Do the thing.
Do the funny! Logan, do the funny!
Hi. I guess I scout.
Do the funny. Or jump off
Okay.
the cliff.
Don't why? Why, Toad? I'm
did
gonna
the
kill
funny.
you.
I'm only obeying orders.
You did funny.
Okay, remember, don't forget about the star, okay?
See, I'm not bad.
No, Evan, you killed me. You're so bad.
I'm there.
Okay, guys,
Okay, I'll actually try not to die.
I did.
remember,
I
use
did.
that
Go
for a
first.
star. Use that for a star. Just don't do anything stupid, okay?
Yeah, Toad.
There's one. You see, there it is. Get it.
Go, Toad, go.
Good job, Toad.
I did it.
This is
How
funny.
dare you, Toad?
You did the funny.
Guys, let's
No,
all
Toad, don't get it, don't get it.
let's all kill
You did the
Toad.
funny,
I
Toad!
didn't realize how much
He got the stars.
Let's all.
Chill.
No, we need to
You
kill
did the
everyone because
funny.
he killed everyone.
Logan, I'm
Just
sorry.
jumping off the thing anyway, whatever.
For content.
It's the funny!
Or the big funny.
I don't want to
Hey there. Guys,
Okay, get
bully
in.
the bullies are bully. No, I was about to kill him.
Yeah, but you lost your chance.
Baby mode, baby
Hey,
mode.
wait, hold a second. Let me kill him. Don't go in there yet. Don't go on
Here,
that.
let me go up.
Don't go on that flagpole yet. Okay.
Oh,
Was I
who was
first?
first?
I was
Yay.
Mario!
Mario.
Hey, look at that. It's small, big, small, big.
Big small, big small.
Baby mode.
Big, small. And
Baby mode and toad mode.
Yes!
oh, what?
Yes!
Why?
That's
Why?
a liar! By 90
Hey, guys,
points!
This is the greatest level of all time. The next one.
And I can't join
It's
because
a
I'm
Bowser
gonna die.
statue.
Wow!
Yeah, but you gotta wait.
Or like to see the
It-
Bowser statue. This is involve Katsu. The one makes you think
No.
I'll like it. What
What?
makes you think I'll like it?
It's broken bully bell.
I'm afraid that I have been here before.
Yeah. You guys are gonna love it. It's amazing.
Hey, wanna go toe mode? Wanna go toe mode?
Look at the music pattern. Look.
Hey!
Ow.
Sports! Yes!
That's the way to
Yes!
We die right at the start.
Haha, toe mode.
Oh, at least it involves Tanuki.
We did the funny content.
Toad is absolutely useless in this scenario.
What?
What the?
Scenario.
How? How did I die?
Oh, I can smack
Because why?
Because you didn't do the funny. You question reality.
Are you serious?
It's your guy's fault.
I think this is a good reason why it has broken in it. This level
Yes,
is so
go,
broken.
princess, go.
Yes!
This level,
I wanted you to live
got-
with it.
do you guys think this level is
We need
broken?
to use some.
No, we don't need to use substitutes. Those are for tryhards.
We don't need to use substitutes. We
Don't
want
try to throw me. Yeah, but that's what you get for trying to
No! Your footstool off me.
Yes! You killed Ethan. You did the funny.
kill. I'm trying to live.
The big fuck.
I'm not.
You did the content.
Did we get
What's
the
the
star?
content? Toad mode?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna chill in this bubble. You better not mess with me. You didn't.
Why do you guys not?
Checkpoint now.
Why do you guys
I
want?
want the checkpoint.
You guys want some Tanuki suit?
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, how can one get right?
Come on!
Oh my! What the? You suck.
Wait, can we close this out?
I'm afraid.
We could. Don't worry. I was trying to save you.
Because I have fear. I'm not gonna make it.
Wow, that's relatable.
Oh, it's the you suck suit.
You suck suits. We need
Suck
these.
suits.
Can we glide from
I-
here?
I haven't been able to get.
These aren't you suck suits. These are rip-offs. Well, I want to fly.
Let's go.
Yay, I get the you suck. You don't suck.
I need to pick up a snowball real quickly.
There's no snowballs in this
The
world.
snowball's running from me.
Oh, you mean the
Oh,
Snowball's
You mean
lightning
Toad?
fine. I got. Oh, wait, snowball, come back. Snowball.
Foolish.
Yes, I have the infinite
Foolish fool.
foolish fool.
Foolish fool fooling around foolish. Gosh darn it! Give me to it.
Tell me what you're seeing.
Nice, Steve.
You can't even interact.
Okay, let's do this together.
Hey guys, how about you guys just bubble up?
Nah, man. I have the thing.
I have the thing as well.
I have the quick.
You have to use substitute. So you
died.
can't die.
Hey, you're gonna.
You have to use substitute. Please don't bother.
Just don't bother doing anything.
Oh, what the heck?
Said don't bother.
My turn. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have.
Oh. No. Oh, there goes that.
Oh, I'm an idiot.
I'm the big brain.
Why would you do that?
Do what?
Kill me.
Try and live.
I didn't kill you. You killed yourself.
300 lives for the end of this episode.
Yeah, let's go.
Hey guys can make it.
I just need a good. Oh, just need a good
Get that star.
I got it. Let's go.
Oh no! I done such a bad mistake.
We're so good.
We're so great at this
It's
level.
been so long on this level.
Okay, guys, don't do anything stupid, okay?
I'm gonna do something incredibly big brain and just completely
Evan just
jump over
killed
the gap.
I think you killed yourself, idiot. Where am I?
Toad doesn't need
You died.
Toad doesn't need
I can't
anything.
see me.
He is
Okay.
invincible.
We all look like snowballs.
Yes, go on and sacrifice yourself.
Hey, Dad.
No! Wow, the Mario Brothers
It's like
died at
they
the
want
same
us
time.
to die.
Please forgive me, whatever I did.
Or you have not sinned.
I'm not gonna go into complete tryhard mode and just waste opportunities. Guys, bubble up. You can bubble up!
I will obliterate anything that stands in my path with me and my cookie.
Okay, you go. Toad.
Toad.
Toad is awful at parkour.
No, Toad, follow the path. No, follow the path. I tried to stay. Why?
I did it.
Okay. Let's
Toad is
do
awful.
this together. Someone be respawning.
Whoa!
I'm
Ow.
Mr. Respawn Man.
Ow.
Oh my goodness, guys.
Checkpoint.
Kill me.
Okay, checkpoint! Here we are.
First
Dude,
checkpoint.
level
Only took us like 150.
Interesting, but Toad does not need anything. He can fly over anything he feels like.
Yeah, I can fly over anything I feel like too. It's called bubble.
Like this? Get over
Call
here,
it like
Tony!
this.
Tony!
No.
Oh,
Toad never.
skill.
Toad never.
Ethan, you killed me.
Toad never surrenders.
Okay, hey wait
Toad
guys.
is here
Hey
embodied
guys,
with a
at the
skill.
pipe, don't go in the pipe.
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, when we get to the pipe, don't go in there because there's a star beyond that.
Welcome here.
No, there's nothing.
I already
Just wait for me. The almighty Toad will help you in your travel.
Oh no! No! No!
I'm still alive, I'm still
Respawn
alive.
anchor.
Respawn anchor.
Respawn!
Coming. So much candy.
Oh my
Alright.
goodness. You guys
I'll
start.
be the human sacrifice. Well, Luigi, you can try and go, okay?
Oh, you want me to try?
I just spawned in and
Alright, let's go!
I died. Again. Look at.
jump to the
Got it!
sun, doesn't
Okay
matter.
guys, don't go in the
Don't go
pipe.
in, don't
Don't
go
go in. Don't go in because look.
No, I deserve it.
Look.
Keep.
QTV.
Hey, that's not nice.
I was finishing the word fine.
You feel fine?
Oh, I don't feel
I don't feel
bad.
fine.
Guys.
This is not fine. This is not fine. Wow!
Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry guys.
What are you apologizing for? You just saved her life.
Thank you.
You finished. You finished.
Yeah,
Guys.
yeah, but what's good is that we finished this broken level.
Finally finished the world too.
It's called Broken and Blue Bully Bell for a good
The
reason.
stage's broken.
Yeah, of course it's broken.
It's annoying. It's uncompleted.
Wow.
Whoa.
They just made it uncompleted level. Like, you know, let's just make this impossible for them.
Okay, so
Well
that's
done.
it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Signing off for now, where we need to learn a lot more harder about how to live, especially in that broken level.
Oh, hey,
and,
please help.
yeah, and we're 2 worlds away to completing this game. See you next time.